Preventive maintenance is now within reach with a thermal camera that delivers more than you'd expect. The TiS75 Plus thermal camera provides a sharp, clear view of potential issues quickly and easily, even if you're not an infrared expert. Innovative IR fusion lets you overlay a visual light image over the thermal image with blending features which highlight your image. The wide field of view means you can capture the full inspection scene in a single frame, even in tight spots. With the TiS75 Plus, you can ditch your clipboard and save time organizing your images. Asset tagging simplifies the process of associating the proper IR images and notes by asset. IR Photo Notes provides a unique method to associate visual images with the IR images quickly and easily. Use color alarms to set a max or min temperature threshold and highlight those areas of interest. Not only will the TiS75 Plus alert you to hotspots, it'll also detect areas at risk for moisture condensation. Empower your maintenance program with this easy-to-use, time-saving tool. The Fluke TiS75 Plus Thermal Camera. Find out more at fluke.com.